Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So, my name is Sarita Sakure. I completed my engineering with a computer background, MTech with a CSE, and PhD in computer science. So, I have a total 15 years experience in that. Previously, I started with the teaching, and I have a 7 years experience in teaching. And now, from last 7 years, I'm working in a Salesforce background. And in Salesforce, started with the admin development or LWC, and now from last 5 years I'm working as a marketing cloud developer. So in marketing cloud means worked on the all the studios also. So in I worked on the marketing cloud, data cloud, Paradot, then marketing cloud personalization studio, worked with a now in last December 2025 I worked on the agent force and marketing cloud next project. So we have a deployment project of that marketing cloud engagement to marketing cloud next. So that time worked on that, and currently also I am working with the one of the MNC. So I am working with the one of the MNC. So in the morning and evening I am taking the classes, and I fully worked in the one of the company. So I know use cases, current projects, and so that's why I think my knowledge should be shared with you all so that you can also grow. I given the interviews on marketing cloud next, data cloud recently, and really selected and got offers also. But continuing with the previous job, because it's a very real time project, and really it's very good project, so that's why can't leave that. But I will tell you definitely how can interviewer ask the questions on that marketing cloud next and data cloud, and what they expect from you, as you have a many of you from the different backgrounds, right? Some are from the sales cloud, some are from the marketing cloud, some know marketing cloud, some know data cloud, some know agent force, and now they want to learn marketing cloud next. Okay, so I will tell you in this demo class, I will cover all the things whatever you want. Okay, class will be in English, no worries. And then I am 15x certified. I completed marketing cloud, data cloud, all many certifications. So nowadays, from so many years, so marketing cloud is really booming. We can create many applications and so many things. Some modules are with coding and some modules with the without coding. Okay, and we are getting the best packages, right? So many companies are working like a TCS, Take Mahindra, Deloitte, Wipro. Along with that, these will be the companies. So it's really number one. Today we are with so many students from my previous batch. They will share some their views. There, are you there, Ashwini, Nikita? Yes, they will. Okay, Nikita, yes, tell me.
Yeah, so my name is Nikita Sakharwade. I'm
Yes.
from PSC background and I have completed my post graduation in MSc in biotechnology. I joined MAM classes in June 2024, and now I got placed in Accenture and I was working from remote location. And
Yes.
yeah, I have a
So
two
she
year
got
two
placed
plus.
in 3 months, means join in
Yeah.
2004 June, and selected in August 2004, right, Nikita?
Ma'am, September.
25, sorry, 25, na?
Yes,
It's
yes.
not 20.
In September, I got placed.
Yes,
Like
yes.
after 3 months, I have not even 3 months. I think 2.5 months. I got placed in a different company.
So see,
Then due to
from different background, BSc in different streams, not in a computer, and she has one baby. So
yeah,
she is handling that and doing the job really. Very proud of you, Anikita. So I really want everyone should get a job. Everyone deserve best in life. So Nikita really taken very hard work, and 25, है ना Nikita? Don't confuse. Last
sorry,
year
ma'am.
only. Last year
Yes,
only you
ma'am.
got selected.
Yes,
Yes, not
ma'am.
24, not it's 25.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
June 2025, I joined classes, and in September, I got placed.
Yes, yes, June to September. So really,
Yes.
it's very hard to select here in this field. Sometimes easy questions are there, but sometimes we have to depend with the projects and all. I cover everything so that you can clear everything. Okay. So next, Ashwini, are you there? You just
Um,
yes.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, I have joined class on September 2026. Yeah, in the previous year only.
Hmm.
So within 2 months, yeah, I got selected in the MNC Nagpur. So with the dream of to get a best package, I joined this class, and really it works. I have done hard work, and dedicatedly I given the mock-up interviews
Yes.
in the classrooms.
I think
And
you
yeah.
was in a web development side, right? Previously?
Yeah. Previously, I was in web development. Then after that, I have taken 1 year break because of my baby and all. So after that, I decided to
Hmm.
move to the
Her brother
Salesforce.
also placed, means that is
Yeah,
the
yeah. Because my brother was there, and he's also joined the same class, so he suggested me to do these things.
yes.
And yeah, really it works for me, and I placed with good package in MNC. So
Good.
thank you, Septra Infotech, and also Sarita ma'am.
Yes, yes. It's
Without your
really
help, yeah,
your
it's
hard
not
work. I really
possible.
think everyone deserve best. Okay. And again, Pranita, are you there? Anyone? Anyone from Atul? Anyone from previous batch? Okay. So batches are continuously going on, and many students will placed and so okay. So next we continue with the okay. So here, see, this is the full syllabus. I have a three type of classes. Like one is full syllabus, one is from data cloud, agent force, and marketing cloud next, and third one is only marketing cloud next. Okay. I will going to that PPT. But now see, for learning this marketing cloud next, you must know all the marketing cloud studios. You must have a knowledge of HTML, CSS, AMScript, SQL, SHS, Marketing Cloud, all the studios, Journey Builder, automations, Data Cloud, Sales Cloud, some terms, flows, and you should know Agent Force. Then only we can learn Marketing Cloud next. I have a org also. I will give those who will join for the Marketing Cloud next batch. I will give you org for 1 month. So really, this is very booming technology. Many batches I taken, around 50 plus batches I have taken, and we get a means we give always 100% placement assistance, so that student will get placed. I will give you calls. I will tell you what to add in resume. Everything I will tell you. So many students got placed through this Septra Infotech, and many changed their life. These are the feedbacks from the students. They really working hard and they
Mm,
got placed. Yes, yes.
Sarita, sorry for the interruption. These all people got trained in Salesforce Marketing Cloud or MCN?
See, different. So these are in the marketing cloud engagement. Some are from the marketing cloud engagement and data cloud. Because data cloud, many things are comes in 6 months back, 6 months before it is coming. Many these marketing cloud next. So that's why they are placed in the marketing cloud engagement, full studio with a personalization studio, with a Pardot, or with a data cloud. This way. Okay, so I'm telling, in last we will ask. Okay, so basic, so for learning this marketing cloud next, you must have idea about Salesforce knowledge. You must have an idea of, if you want to learn data cloud, see, in this demo class I have a many students from the different backgrounds, so that's why I'm trying to cover everything. Anshul, are you there? Anshul, can you hear me? Anshul is fresher student. Anshul, are you there? Anshul?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. Which year pass out? Okay,
I passed out last year. So first
2025.
of all, my name is Anshul Chaudhary.
Hmm.
I have completed my bachelor's in BCom Computer Application last year. And after that, I joined this training institute throughout my sister reference.
Hmm.
So when I joined, I had very little practical knowledge about web development and other things. So my sister tell me to join that club as a for the Salesforce Marketing Cloud. And then we had regular learning session, mock interviews, and technical practices, which helps me to improve my communication skill and confidence. The mock interviews were especially helpful because when I gave to the real company, it helps helpful to speak in the interviews and
So he
conduct.
is 2025 pass out. As a fresher, we
Yeah,
dropped the resume and got I think how much package you got?
around 5 LP.
Around 5 LP. As a fresher, 5 LP is
Yeah,
good. Yes, yes. So thank you, Anshula.
yeah.
Anyone again? Otherwise, okay, fine. Okay. At last, we will take a question answer session so that I will cover everything. So first of all, understand what these batches related to. Okay. So basic knowledge of Salesforce we must have. For learning data cloud. For learning data cloud, we must have a knowledge of these SQL, sorry, basic knowledge like objects or data extension you must know for learning the data cloud. Objects, relationship, or whatever we are ecosystem of this Salesforce, you must know. You must know SQL somehow. In a data cloud also, I will cover this SQL. So SQL parts, you must know SOSL or SOQL is also good if you are from the sales cloud or you are from the marketing cloud background. Both can learn this data cloud. Okay. And nowadays everything is on the data cloud. So many things are on the data cloud. So what is that data cloud? So data cloud is all about collecting the data, right? Filter out that data. Analytics will be created, and 360-degree view of that customers will be created here. Merging rule, reconciliation rule, so many rules are there. So whatever data we have a structured data. Sometimes we have a unstructured data like a invoices and all the reports we have. We can create that, we can upload that into the data cloud, and we can create the engagement or profile related data into the data cloud, and we will filter out that. We will use that in any different clouds. So in a data cloud, we collect all the data, we filter out that data, and we pass that data to the different platforms. So like till date means if we are working in the engagement, marketing cloud engagement. So in data cloud, we collect all the data, we filter out that data, and we pass that data to the marketing cloud engagement, and we add that into the journey builders, right? And we run the journeys. We run the journeys, right? So this way, till date means activation target, through we call that data into the data cloud, and then we call that into the data cloud, sorry, and data cloud to activation target to marketing cloud. So this way we are moving ahead. But nowadays, so all this data cloud is on the top of the sales cloud, right? So here, if marketing cloud is coming on the top of the sales cloud only, so then you must have a knowledge of this data cloud. You must have a knowledge of agent force, and then only you can learn marketing cloud next. So this is the if you know marketing cloud engagement, first you learn data cloud. If you know engagement, all the studios, you know SSJS, you know AmpScript, then you must learn first data cloud thoroughly, so that DMO, SQL, everything, streaming data, real time data, how it is coming from the different platforms. Like we collect data here from the different platforms like a Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or any Snowflake, Amazon cloud, any cloud, different clouds data can be collected here, and you can filter out that data, you can merge that data if same customers data, and you can see customer in 360-degree. So that is the data cloud. Okay. So for learning data cloud, you must know either marketing cloud engagement, or you must know sales cloud or service cloud, or any cloud, any health cloud, any cloud you must know. Then you learn this data cloud. Okay. So in data cloud, we will learn many things. Like here we cover up data cloud architecture, we will say data spaces, data stream, all the connectivities with the different clouds, and calling the data, collect the data into the, first of all, into the DLO, and then data model objects. So data model objects are like a data extension, you can say, or data model object is like a objects. So this way we call the data, then harmonize mapping, then identity resolution we will perform, then a unified customer profile, document AI. It is related to unstructured data. Whatever unstructured data you are having, you can collect that data, you can make it structured data by adding it into the Excel sheet, by adding it into the DMOs. So connecting with the SFMC org, connection with the Sales Cloud org, streaming insights, we will see segmentation, SQL, activation target, data actions, data cloud and marketing cloud, how it is working through the data cloud. So data cloud API also we will learn, no worries. Okay. So I will tell you about the stories of live projects like a banking, retail, pharma, travel, real estate, and customer 360, real-time personalization use cases, how we personalize here our use cases. So every day 7:30 to 8:30 class will be there. Please note down the date and timing so that it will be very comfortable to talk with me. So data cloud batch, we will start from the 6th August, 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. classes and 8:30 to 9 hands-on. Monday to Friday, we have a classes. And on Saturday, same timing, we have a interview. Okay. So Monday to Friday, we have a classes and Saturday, we will take interview on the same portion, whatever I covered previously. In first week I will cover whatever I will cover, that interview on the Saturday. If 2 week I will cover, that is 15 days classes whatever done, that is interview on Saturday. So this way we will move ahead. And real time projects, practical features, calculated inside, real time examples, my use stories, right? So simple. If anyone want to join this only one, then this will be the fees, right? Okay. Now marketing cloud next batch, special for those who know, understand, huh? Those who know marketing cloud engagement, all studios, those who know agent force, and you know about the data cloud, then only you can go with the marketing cloud next. So working Salesforce professionals, right? Professional working on any sales cloud and marketing cloud, right? And they have a admin developer knowledge, and they have to looking for the update their skills, right? So then you can go with this. So here also means see, 2 days, 1 or 2 day, I will take a some background of data cloud, some background of that marketing cloud engagement. 1 day agent force, 2 3 days flow builders, and then we will move toward the marketing cloud next. So in next I will cover all the studios of next. So there are no studios as such. There are journeys are created in a different way. I will teach you from the org and I will give you org for the practice for the marketing cloud next. So in marketing cloud next, prerequisites are these: basic knowledge, you should have a knowledge of AMP marketing cloud awareness, you should have a knowledge of email studio, automation journey, because I will not revise that again from the means basics, like what are the tags. You must know tags of the AMP script, then only you can learn this marketing cloud next, right? Otherwise no meaning to learn marketing cloud next. You must have idea about the SHS, everything we are using, whatever we are using in the engagement, same we can use in the marketing cloud next. But UI is different, that all are shifted on a sales cloud. So that's why all the UI are changed. Even there is no data extension, there are the DMOs, data model objects. Journey, so many fields like a wait activity is there. So many things are similar, but UI is different. So we have to work on the flows, flow builders. So whenever we are working on the marketing cloud next, we must have a knowledge of flow builder. So flow builder again is a in-depth topic, but in my regular batch I will take that for the 10 to 15 days in the regular batches, means full course. But if you are going with the marketing cloud next, just revision for 1 day, revision will be there. So okay, then marketing cloud next 10,000 is fees, but you must have an idea about all the previous topics, then only you can go with the marketing cloud next. Okay, so in marketing cloud next, architecture, agent force in marketing cloud next, flow builder, journey builder next, content builder next, email builder next, mobile cloud. So these advanced data cloud ingestions, data cloud, connect with the data cloud, connect with the sales cloud, Einstein AI marketing cloud next. So REST SOAP API I will cover in marketing cloud next, and reporting and analytics, and these best practices. Even projects, welcome journey, we will create here welcome journey, live projects. So see, nowadays there are many projects are means upcoming near about in 2 years, that exact target will be deprecated, and that all will be shifted to the marketing cloud next on the top of the sales cloud. So that's why it's very essential to learn this marketing cloud next. At least you must have an idea about what you have to do now, what exactly we are working here, and what we do in a marketing cloud next. So full course that includes marketing cloud, all the studios, engagement, and then data cloud and SFMC next, and fees is 30,000. It may vary for the next batches. Next batches will start in the October or November, right? But now for these batches, this batch is already started before 2-3 days, and batch timing is 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. IST, Indian timing, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. All the studios, along with the data cloud, along with the marketing cloud next. And bonus are the flow builders. I will teach here flow builders. I will teach here all the agent force topics, whatever required for the here in the marketing cloud next. So agents are created like we must have a knowledge for agent force. Agent force are created through the flows. Agents are created through the apex, and agents are created through the LWC. Again, it is very vast topics, right? But for marketing cloud next, you have an idea about the flows. Okay, no worries about the apex and all. You can work on that. If you know flows, you know the sales cloud some terms. So then, so everything I will cover here. Okay, but for data cloud, see, this is 15,000, and data cloud is back starting from the 6th of August evening 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Okay, class will be 7:30 to 8:30, and 8:30 to 9 we have a daily hands-on practice. Here also I'm taking the hands-on practice, because I know once I teach, you never practice and you don't know the topics and all. But my concern is that you must practice there. You ask me questions, if anything I will give you org access and everything. You just sit there, you just practice there, and you let me know what you have to do. Okay, so that is about the data cloud also. And SFMC next, that is starting from tomorrow, 9 to 10 p.m. Marketing cloud next tomorrow, 9 to 10 p.m. Okay, so you, if you have knowledge of this, so see, I'm giving my number here. Okay, I think you have my number also. Just you for my knowledge, just you drop here one message ki which batch you want to join. Okay, so that I will call you. I will take a follow of you, because I am working really don't have that much time. So that's why, yes, just drop one message which you want to join. You want to join full course, it's a 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. You want to data cloud from the 6th August, it's a 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. SFMC next, that is 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Again repeating, you just drop me message, ma'am, I have to join this only, or these or these, so that I will bifurcate you. I will add you in that group accordingly. Okay, and you register for today, tomorrow, and then we will moving ahead to learn this all practically, theoretically, interview wise, resume wise, everything. Okay, so then, okay, so we have a batches, so many students got placed, and our office in Nagpur, right? We belong to Nagpur, right? And this is my WhatsApp number, and this is my calling number. You can call me also. You take a screenshot of that. This is the Insta of us. So many students got placed, right? So now, okay. So you can ask me questions. Okay, we will take a question.